Today we're going to be repairing an audio cassette that we received from a client. Once I received it, I did an inspection and I noticed right here it actually had become disconnected from the spool itself. So it doesn't look like it was broken. It looks like it's just come off the spool, which should not be a big deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be using a donor tape right here. It's just a blank tape that we have here in our shop. And this part is going to be easy because, as you can see, there are 5 screws, which we remove, just Phillips head. The hard part is on this one from the client, it's a sealed unit. There's no screws, so I'm going to actually have to break open, take everything out of here into our donor. Hopefully everything goes well. I did reach out to the client and receive their permission, as all it's going to do is replace the case itself and not harm the audio reel. So let's get started. There you go. We have it cracked open. It was a little harder than I thought it would be, but it's open. We got the reel. Now we're gonna use the donor. Now I'm going to use the spool from the donor cassette and use a leader from there and splice it together with the original tape. Well, that's it for this one. We do many other different types of tape transfers. Please check us out. I'll leave a link to check out our website. Thanks.